Hey guys, welcome back to Key to Crypto, where we uncover hidden gems in the crypto space. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI altcoins, highlighting 3 tiny projects with the potential to skyrocket by 2025. But before we jump in, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay ahead of the curve on all things crypto. But first, what are AI altcoins? For those who are new, AI altcoins are cryptocurrencies that leverage artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies to enhance their functionality and capabilities. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies, which primarily focus on decentralization and peer-to-peer transactions, AI altcoins integrate advanced algorithms to automate processes, analyze data, and make informed decisions. In recent years, the demand for AI solutions has skyrocketed across industries, from healthcare and finance to retail and transportation. As a result, AI altcoins have emerged as a promising investment opportunity for crypto enthusiasts seeking exposure to the rapidly expanding AI market. AI altcoins utilize sophisticated algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data and extract valuable insights. These algorithms can be trained to recognize patterns, predict trends, and optimize decision-making processes. One of the main benefits of AI altcoins is their ability to automate tasks and processes, reducing the need for human intervention. This automation can streamline operations, improve efficiency, and lower costs for businesses and users alike. AI altcoins are designed to scale efficiently, accommodating growing user bases and increasing transaction volumes without compromising performance. This scalability is essential for supporting widespread adoption and long-term sustainability. Now, let's get started with our first AI project, Graphlink. In the vast landscape of blockchain technology, navigating complex data can be daunting for non-coding users. Enter Graphlink, or GLQ, a revolutionary protocol designed to simplify blockchain development without the need for coding expertise. GLQ operates as a no-code protocol, automating tasks and providing real-time insights into blockchain data. With Graphlink, users can effortlessly deploy graphs, access real-time statistics on centralized exchanges and DeFi applications, and monitor token activities, all without writing a single line of code. The platform's integrated development environment, IDE, and user-friendly interface make it easy to create complex automations with just a few clicks. Plus, GLQ's secure engine ensures that all data is processed accurately and securely on the Graphlink chain. At the heart of Graphlink is its robust ecosystem, comprising the Graphlink chain and the Graphlink protocol. With a current market cap of $45 million, Graphlink is positioned as one of the most promising projects in the AI space. As adoption grows and the crypto market enters a bull run, GLQ has the potential to reach a market cap of $10 billion, a staggering 220x increase from its current value. Overall, Graphlink is revolutionizing blockchain development by making it accessible to everyone, regardless of coding expertise. With its user-friendly interface, robust ecosystem, and potential for exponential growth, GLQ is poised to lead the charge in the AI crypto space. So keep an eye on Graphlink. It could be the next big thing in the world of decentralized technology. Before we continue, if you like our content so far, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate your support. Now moving forward, we're shining a spotlight on LayerAI, an innovative platform revolutionizing data monetization within AI models. LayerAI stands at the forefront of the data economy, offering a sophisticated ecosystem designed to accelerate its growth. By harnessing the power of cutting-edge advancements in both Web 2 and Web 3 technologies, LayerAI empowers individuals to own, control, and capitalize on their most valuable digital asset. At its core, LayerAI comprises several key components, each playing a vital role in its ecosystem. These include a ZK rollup blockchain network, Layer VPN, a decentralized exchange known as Kyoto X, the Layer Marketplace, and the Layer app. LayerAI is committed to fostering active user participation within the data economy. By empowering individuals to become contributors rather than passive consumers, LayerAI aims to democratize access to data monetization opportunities. Its seamless ecosystem simplifies interaction and engagement with technology, making it accessible to users of all skill levels. With a current market cap of $25 million, LayerAI holds immense potential for growth. An astounding 200x increase from its current value is well within reach. As LayerAI continues to innovate and expand its ecosystem, it stands poised to shape the future of the data economy. LayerAI is not just a platform, it's a catalyst for change in the data economy. By leveraging advanced technologies and a tokenized economic framework, LayerAI empowers users to unlock the true value of their data. So keep an eye on LayerAI. It's redefining the way we think about data in the digital age. Last but not the least, Atlas Navi, an app that's reshaping the way we navigate roads. With Navi, drivers have access to real-time road condition analysis, helping them navigate with ease and avoid traffic congestion. Unlike traditional navigation apps, Navi processes data at a staggering rate, 100 times faster than its counterparts, ensuring drivers receive timely updates on road conditions. Powered by NVIDIA's robust platform, Navi is equipped with cutting-edge technology that offers unparalleled computer density, performance, and flexibility. The data collection cars integrated into the system generate an astonishing 2 petabytes of data annually, providing a wealth of information for AI model training. Navi's multi-layered security approach ensures that users' data remains protected at all times. From hardware to software components, Navi prioritizes comprehensive security to safeguard users' privacy and data integrity. Utilizing advanced machine learning and computer vision neural networks, Navi interprets road conditions captured by smartphone cameras with remarkable accuracy. Trained on 100 terabytes of images and videos, these neural networks can identify various objects on the road, enabling Navi to provide precise navigation guidance. The app seamlessly connects to smartphone cameras or existing dash cameras via USB, allowing for real-time monitoring of road conditions. Whether automatically or manually, Navi reports detected issues promptly, ensuring a smoother driving experience for users. With Navi's Android and iOS apps already developed and 90% of functionality available, the project is poised for exponential growth. Tested internally for over 6 months, Navi guarantees reliability as a real utility navigation app driven by AI analysis. In conclusion, Atlas Navi represents a paradigm shift in navigation technology. With its unparalleled AI capabilities and user-friendly interface, Navi is set to revolutionize the way we navigate roads. So, keep an eye on Navi. It's paving the way for a smarter, safer driving experience. As AI continues to reshape industries and redefine the way we live and work, AI altcoins offer a unique opportunity to invest in the future of technology. By harnessing the power of AI and blockchain, these coins have the potential to revolutionize various sectors and drive innovation on a global scale. As such, keeping an eye on AI altcoins may prove to be a wise decision for crypto investors looking to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on emerging trends in the digital economy. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends. Until next time, and remember, the future of finance is here with KTC.